Hi everyone. Today we want to work with you on your personal organization, and one way you can do that is by utilizing a really great feature in Canvas. If you log in and you look along the menu on the left-hand side and you click on the calendar feature, it's going to bring you to the month version of your calendar. You may notice that some of your teachers are already inputting things on your Canvas calendar. Some teachers might put in things like a science unit test, for example, while others might actually include information about what you did that day, and you can even upload the worksheet that you did during class. If you look along the right-hand side, you can see each class is designated a certain color, but you can edit that. For example, if I wanted science to be a different color, I could pick any color off this menu and make science that color. I also have a color for myself. So for this account, Courtney is assigned to blue, but if I would want to change that, I could make a change here. Now we're going to talk to you for a minute about how you can add things to your calendar.
So in addition to using your Canvas calendar to see the items that teachers have added, you can add your own items to the calendar. Let's look at Friday, December 6th. Courtney has a science unit test and a chapter 37 quiz in a class. So on Thursday, December 5th, it might be a good idea for her to add an item to her Canvas calendar to study for her science and social studies test. You can do this one of two ways. You can click right on the box of December 5th and add it as an item in the title there, or you can go to the main screen and add the Create New Event button where you can type in the title of the event that you would like to add, make sure the date is correct on the next box, and then click Submit, and that will add it to your Canvas calendar. So now on December 5th, Courtney has added Study for Science and Social Studies test so that she's ready for Friday the 6th. If you go to the Agenda tab at the top, you can see that she can have a quick view then of all the things added on Thursday, December 5th and Friday, December 6th. In addition to adding classroom reminders onto the calendar, you may also want to add some personal reminder. If you have a personal event that you are going to attend, or you would like to add maybe the end of a grading period, the December 20th is the last day of the before winter break, you could add, or to return something to school. So if you are using your Canvas calendar daily, you can use it for all kinds of helpful reminders, and this is a great way to organize your time.